Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna tell you, does Samsung Galaxy A14 have Pro mode or not? So for checking up this, guys, firstly just go to the camera here. Now tap to more option, and here we have a Pro mode. So basically, yes, we have a Pro mode in Galaxy A14. We can use it by adjusting the light, focus, and if we're talking about the other thing like ISO, we can set it up the ISO from here. Talking about focus, so yes, we can focus it. If we use WB, but that means black and white, so we can change up the light or color of the image also. So yes, the guys, we can use Pro mode, and we have a Pro mode in Galaxy A14 device. So that is it, guys, about the video. If this video helps you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.